am officially into the profits with the storage unit I got. I realize I'm not, well, I was going to say I'm not doing it fast enough, but fast enough depends on what I want it to be, because it's my thing. I guess I shouldn't compare myself to others. I listed this last night and it sold right away, so I'm going to ship that out this morning. And yeah, I'm officially into profits on the storage unit. So guess what I did? I purchased another storage unit. This time I only paid $62 for it. Today I'm going to package up my eBay sale. My husband had a couple of eBay sales. I'm going to package those up. I'm going to go to the post office, and then I'm going to go see what we got in this storage unit. There's a couple of things I do know are in it. One is some Jeep, like Jeep, luggage. And I looked it up, and I think the bag that's in there would go for about $30. What's the other thing? Oh, a magnifying light that you put on your desk. If it works, I hope it works. I'm going to put it in my workstation because my eyesight is not good. So that would be keep out of a storage unit. And then it did say that there was a mini fridge in it, but I did not see that. There is a piece of metal equipment in the back that I wasn't sure what it was. It does not look like a refrigerator though, but maybe that's what it is. It has a handle on the top, and the rest of it is mostly just clothing. I did see a Seahawks thing in it. I can't tell if it's a shoebox or a folder. I will take you along with me this morning, and we will go check it out and get it emptied out. Okay, I dropped off my packages and got my coffee. So we are now going to head to the storage unit now and see what we find. This is it. This Jeep, the suitcase is in pretty rough shape. So I was hoping to get like $30 for it, but that's not going to happen. It's very drippy out here. Universal laptop charging adapter. Oh, there's mouse droppings. There is a large NFL Seahawks jacket. Old broken cell phone. We have a broken watch. Another hair thing, old scrap. I was hoping it was a shoebox, but it's not. It's just a folder. But it is in good condition. What is that? Is that like a security camera? Look what I just saw. That's pretty nice. That I will be able to sell. Universal sound bar power adapter. Sharper image. Projects ball on walls. Okay. Well, an Apple TV. The hat is in really good condition. Pool cue. It does look like it's in okay condition. South Pole. We've got open cookies. That's probably why I found some mouse poop. More South Pole. Okay, we've got a Seahawks jersey, number 80, Argent. It's got some stains on the back. Another pair of weird jeans with some pearls inside. Hey, they're heavy. I've got a Nike shoe. Yep. Just one. Little black bag with stuff inside. Underwear. Bag, oh, underwear. I like the bag though. Seahawks t-shirt. Generic toilet paper. Hey, a pair of Carhartt jeans. Man, this guy had a lot of underwear. This t-shirt, I don't exactly know what it is. Yankees Seahawks hat. Ugh, but it doesn't smell good and it's not clean. If you watched my last storage unit, there were rocks everywhere. Found a rock. Pair of sunglasses. And I broke my sunglasses. Laptop. And a whole bunch of little baggies. Is this what they call dime bags? A Soundcore speaker. I don't know anything about those. There's the other shoe. This is what I believe they call them, the mini fridge. Hopefully that works. What's this go? This t-shirt? Abercrombie. Germ key. Something we need in the time of COVID. Okay, there's a few little tools in here. Stanley. And one of those little hammers that has the little screwdrivers. Other end. A pair of white Levi's shorts with the tags. Hey, Hot Wheels car. Ah! Oh, jeez, that scared me. The light is on the timer. Oh, San Francisco. Camo jacket. The brand is Swiss Tech. A polo shirt. Nice Nike shirt. A little screwdriver set for like eyeglasses. I don't know if you'll be able to see what that says. Cop Cam. There's light in here. Oh, gross, there's mold up on the ceiling. Okay, what is this, guys? I have no idea. It says Santiva. Well, there's something in it, and then there's holes at the end, and I can't get it open. We have a Gonzaga Bulldogs flag. So here I have batteries. So it's just a headlamp. Hey! A Coleman 4-piece 4-in-1 portable vacuum system. Let's see if it's really in here. Indeed it is. Does not look like it's been used. So that should be sellable. It belongs to Brian. Yep. Close. Oh, hey, this is a kid's Swiss Tech. That looks really nice. A rapid ramen cooker. Ramen was pretty rapid already. Oh, I found another light. I think. A Seahawks camo backpack. Oh, it looks like the zipper might be broken. And I guess we have a ThinkPad jersey. I like stuff better than clothes. Piggy Pop. Weird. Oh. Okay, this is good. This should sell. Cry cut. And it looks like it's all there. It has been opened. It looks like everything is inside. Washington State Huskies hat. Gonzaga University hat. Tools. Well, it says Channel Lock. I thought Channel Lock was the kind of tool. I didn't think it was a brand. Label refill style. Liquid transfer siphon. A registration to a 1997 Honda. Another tool. Whatever these are. There's a whole set of them. Drill bit. 1 penny. Ooh, the bottom bin says auto stuff. Guess what I just realized? I didn't bring a dustpan with me. Okay, last bin. Terminal assortment and wiring tool. Oh, assorted electrical terminal kit. A turtle wax visor to hold your CD. Toggle switch. Wrench. Battery charger thing. Wires. Scrap this. Brake fluid. Ever start. Those are in good shape. Ooh, baseball. I love baseball. Turtle wax chamois thing. Okay, a bunch of little bits. Another tool. And then there's the remote that goes to that sound cord. Once I got through the pile of mostly clothes, everything else was in bins. So, can you see back there? This one only took me like an hour and a half to empty out, and that's, you know, doing it slow, looking through things. This one I only found 1 penny, 1 rock. I found more things, well, that could potentially be of value. That mini fridge, the Coleman 4-in-1 portable cooker, the Apple TV, the sound core. I think it's a speaker. What else? Two laptops. I obviously will, you know, go through the clothes because there were several pairs of Levi's jeans. There were some tennis shoes that were Air Jordans, and there was a pair of Polo hiking boots, and they were in really good shape. And then there were several jersey type things. So all of that could be potentially sellable. So I think I did okay on this one. Way more stuff than I thought. Like, it's a 5x5 unit. I didn't think I'd fill up the back of my truck, and I did. I left the house just right after 10, and it's right after 1 o'clock right now. So I went and got coffee. I went to the post office and dropped off packages and cleaned out a storage unit and got back home in 3 hours. So now I've got to empty out the storage unit, have some lunch, not storage unit, empty out the truck. I'll get these tested and listed on eBay. This is the thing that was in the storage unit that was supposed to be a magnifying desk mirror, but is a sharper image virtual LED space pong game, and it's extremely bogus and extremely annoying, but it's kind of fun to try to play it. You have to have the lights off to do it, and you're supposed to have an empty room, but I'm in my basement. This is kind of dangerous. Blue means 1 player. Green means 2 player. Then you turn this on. Okay. So we're gonna do 2 players. 1 is easy level. Oh, here we go. There. So I have to hit that light with my racket.